guests coming on board Nieuw Statendam, I think, are going to be very surprised. The Pinnacle-class is more modern and contemporary, and that's seen in both the fabrics and decor that we use throughout the ship. It's also evident in the art, and so on board Nieuw Statendam, the theme is music, and so you'll see that throughout the ship. Guests who are coming on board Nieuw Statendam for the first time really need to check out 3 things: Music Walk, some of the new culinary venues, as well as Exploration Central. Music Walk is really partnerships with brands in music, and so we created this musical experience so that we could have live bands on board, places for people to dance and experience different musical types. Holland America Line is really a cruise line dedicated to foodies, music lovers, and explorers. And we want to be the cruise line that people choose when they want to explore these passions all around the world on all 7 seas.